Hi all! Did you know we can actually play Tic Tac Toe right inside Microsoft Teams? In this video, we'll show you how to add a Tic Tac Toe game to a Teams channel using MockFlow IdeaBoard, without switching between different apps. Let's quickly see how it works. Once the IdeaBoard editor opens, click the plus icon in the toolbar and search for the Tic Tac Toe component. You'll find it under the Artifacts section. Simply drag and drop it onto the editor canvas. You can use it during team breaks, virtual meetings, or as a quick interactive activity to engage your team, all without leaving Microsoft Teams. The board with the Tic Tac Toe game is now added directly to your Teams channel, so everyone can access and play it from the same shared workspace. That's it. With MockFlow IdeaBoard inside Microsoft Teams, you can bring interactive activities like Tic Tac Toe directly into your team's shared workspace. Give it a try and see what you can create.